Elon Musk, my new Tesla engine will destroy the electronic vehicle industry. Today we'll discuss the exciting news of Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk. As many of you may know, Tesla is a pioneering company in the world of electronic vehicles, and they've recently announced a new EV engine that is sure to turn heads in the automotive industry. But before we dive into the details of this new engine, let's first take a quick look at the background of Tesla and Elon Musk. Tesla was founded in 2003 to produce electric vehicles that are not only environmentally friendly, but also high performance and accessible to the mass market. Since then, the company has made tremendous strides in the EV industry, becoming one of the field's most recognizable and respected brands. Elon Musk is a South African-born entrepreneur and inventor who has made a name for himself in various industries. In addition to his work with Tesla, he is also the CEO of SpaceX, a company working to revolutionize space travel, and Neuralink, a company focused on developing brain-machine interfaces. Now let's get back to the main topic of today's video, Tesla's new EV engine. According to the company, this engine is designed to deliver impressive power and range, while being energy efficient and environmentally friendly. It will be used in various Tesla vehicles, including their popular Model S, Model 3, and Model X models. So what makes this engine so special? We'll be discussing that in more detail later on in the video. But some of the key features include a state-of-the-art electric motor, a highly efficient battery pack, and advanced power management systems. Overall, this new EV engine is a major development for Tesla and the automotive industry, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this innovative company. In the rest of this video, we'll be covering the following topics: a detailed breakdown of the features and capabilities of the new EV engine, the potential impact of this engine on the electric vehicle market, some of the challenges and criticisms that Tesla has faced in the past, and how the company has addressed them, and a look at some of the other exciting projects and ventures that Elon Musk is currently working on. A detailed breakdown of the features and capabilities of the new EV engine. Tesla's new EV engine is a game changer in electric vehicles. With impressive power, range, energy, efficiency, and environmental friendliness, this engine is sure to make a big impact on the automotive industry. One of the key features of the new EV engine is its electric motor. This motor is designed to deliver high levels of power and torque, allowing for impressive acceleration and top speeds. It also has a low weight-to-power ratio, which helps to improve the overall efficiency of the vehicle. Another important aspect of the new EV engine is its battery pack. Tesla has long been known for its advanced battery technology, and this new engine is no exception. It features a high-capacity battery pack that is capable of storing a large amount of energy, providing an impressive range for the vehicle. In addition, the battery pack is designed to be energy efficient, helping to extend the overall lifespan of the vehicle. In addition to its electric motor and battery pack, the new EV engine also boasts advanced power management systems. These systems help to optimize the use of the battery pack and electric motor, ensuring that the vehicle is operating at its most efficient level at all times. This can help to improve the overall performance of the vehicle, as well as extend its range. One of the major benefits of the new EV engine is its environmental impact. Electric vehicles have long been seen as a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditionally gasoline-powered vehicles, and this new engine continues that trend. It produces zero emissions, making it a cleaner option for drivers concerned about their transportation's impact on the environment. In terms of performance, the new EV engine delivers impressive results. It is capable of reaching top speeds of over 100 miles per hour, and it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. This makes it an exciting option for drivers who are looking for a vehicle that can deliver both speed and efficiency. Overall, the new EV engine from Tesla is a major development in the world of electric vehicles. Its advanced electric motor, high-capacity battery pack, and power management systems make it a powerful and efficient option for drivers who want to make that switch to electric transportation. Its zero emissions and impressive performance make it a great choice for those looking to reduce their environmental impact while still enjoying the thrill of driving a high-performance vehicle. So it is a very important and revolutionary development in the field of electric vehicles. The potential impact of this engine on the electric vehicle market. As one of the leading companies in the electric vehicle industry, Tesla has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible with clean transportation. Its latest innovation is a new EV engine that is poised to make waves in the automotive market. The new EV engine boasts a state-of-the-art electric motor and a highly efficient battery pack, as well as advanced power management systems. These features allow the engine to deliver impressive power and range while being energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The engine will be used in a variety of Tesla vehicles, including the popular Model S, Model 3, and Model X models. The potential impact of this new EV engine on the market cannot be overstated. By offering a high-performance, energy-sufficient engine that is accessible to the mass market, Tesla is making it easier for more people to switch to electric vehicles. This is especially important as the push for clean transportation grows, and governments around the world set stricter emission standards for vehicles. Of course, Tesla has not been without its challenges and criticisms. In the past, the company has faced production delays and quality control issues, which have led to some criticisms from consumers and industry experts. However, Tesla has worked to address these issues and has made significant improvements to its manufacturing processes. In addition to his work with Tesla, Elon Musk is also the CEO of SpaceX, a company working to revolutionize space travel, and Neuralink, a company focused on developing brain-machine interfaces. These ventures demonstrate Musk's unwavering dedication to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Overall, Tesla's new EV engine is a major development in the world of electric vehicles, and it is sure to have a significant impact on the market. While there are always challenges to be faced in any industry, Tesla has proven time and time again that it is up to the task, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this innovative company. Some of the challenges and criticisms that Tesla has faced in the past and how the company has addressed them. Despite its impressive track record in the electric vehicle industry, Tesla has not been without its challenges and criticisms. One of the main criticisms that the company has faced is its production delays and quality control issues. Production delays have been a problem for Tesla for many years now, with the company consistently falling behind on its production targets. This has led to frustration among consumers and investors who have grown tired of waiting for the vehicles to be delivered. In response, Tesla has made significant investments in its manufacturing processes, including increasing automation and hiring more workers in an effort to improve production efficiency. Quality control has also been a concern for Tesla. In the past, the company has faced criticism for issues such as the faulty door handles and the faulty autopilot systems. While these issues have been addressed and corrected, they have raised concerns among some consumers and industry experts about the overall quality of Tesla's vehicles. To address these challenges and criticisms, Tesla has taken a number of steps. In addition to investing in its manufacturing processes, the company has also improved its quality control measures. This includes implementing more rigorous testing procedures, making design changes to address any issues that may arise. Despite these challenges, Tesla has proven time and time again that it is up to the task. The company has consistently delivered innovative, high-quality products that have disrupted the traditional automotive industry. Its success has attracted a loyal customer base and made it a household name. A look at some of the other exciting projects and ventures that Elon Musk is currently working on. In addition to his work with Tesla and the development of the company's new EV engine, Elon Musk is also involved in a number of other exciting ventures. As the CEO of SpaceX, Musk is at the forefront of efforts to revolutionize space travel and make it more accessible to the general public. SpaceX has made significant strides in the field of commercial spaceflight, including launching its first crewed mission to the International Space Station in 2020. The company is also working on developing a fully reusable rocket, which could significantly reduce the cost of space travel. In addition, SpaceX is planning to send humans to Mars as part of its ultimate goal of establishing a human settlement on the Red Planet. Another exciting venture that Musk is involved in is Neuralink, a company focused on developing brain-machine interfaces. The goal of Neuralink is to create a direct connection between the human brain and computers, which could potentially have a wide range of applications. For example, it could be used to help people with disabilities to control prosthetic limbs, or to allow people to communicate with machines or control devices using their thoughts. While these ventures may seem ambitious, Musk has a track record of making seemingly impossible dreams a reality. With this passion for innovation and willingness to take risks, there is no telling what the future may hold for these exciting projects. In conclusion, Elon Musk and his companies Tesla and SpaceX are at the forefront of innovation in various industries. From electric vehicles and space travel to brain-machine interfaces, Musk is pushing the boundaries of what is possible and inspiring others to dream big. With so many exciting projects in the works, it will be interesting to see what the future holds for Musk and his companies. So tell me, are you excited about the new Tesla engine? Write yes or no in the comments section below. And if you want to be updated on the latest news, click the video on the screen now to watch another fascinating video. And until next time,